I'm David Philp, Head of BIM Implementation at the Cabinet Office. This module looks at UK building information modelling from a policy perspective. Her Majesty's Government has embarked with industry on an ambitious programme for sector modernisation for the adoption of information-rich building information modelling, process, technologies, and most importantly, collaborative behaviours that will unlock new, more efficient ways of working at all stages of the project lifecycle. Building an information model is a requisite of the HM Government Construction Strategy. This is a framework for a range of work streams including government soft landings and cost benchmarking, all of which have the ultimate aim of reducing the cost of government construction projects by 15–20% by the end of the current Parliament. The strategy calls for a profound change in the relationship between public authorities and the construction industry to ensure that government consistently gets a good deal and the country gets the social and economic infrastructure it needs for the long term. BIM is a key enabler of this change. The strategy, launched by the Minister for the Cabinet Office, Francis Maud, in July 2011, set out requirements for BIM on all centrally procured projects irrespective of project value, covering new and retained estate refurbishment projects, also including linear projects such as roads. Additionally, through the Department for Innovation and Skills, we have further ambitions for the UK in terms of growth, attracting investment through the export of our BIM know-how and indeed new digital technology solutions. In order to mobilise government departments and help the supply chain get ready for this digital switchover, we have established, via the Construction Industry Council, the UK BIM Task Group, which brings together expertise from industry, government, public sector, institutes and indeed academia. We hear from some members of the team on the balance of these video modules. The task group is also responsible for providing the industry with the necessary guidance, protocols and support to bring about this reality by 2016. We're also working and engaging with industry through BIM communities of practice. We've established working groups such as BIM for SMEs and BIM for supply chain delivery. Additionally, we're engaging with the supply chain at a local level via the Construction Industry Council, where we've established a series of regional BIM hubs across the UK to help raise awareness and ensure a consistency of message. We're also working with peer clients and Technology Vendor Alliance to ensure a common approach to BIM across the UK. Our whole sector approach to BIM mandates that HM Government will require fully collaborative 3D BIM, with all project and asset information, documentation and data being electronic as a minimum by 2016. This is commonly referred to as Level 2 BIM in the maturity ramp, defined as file-based, collaboration and library management. Level 2 BIM maturity can be achieved through a series of different processes and tools. Critically defined, Level 2 BIM is a series of domain-specific models such as architectural, structural and building services, with the provision of a single environment to store shared data and information. In our case, COBE UK 2012, our common data language for all HM government projects. Our programme is technology agnostic, and there are many paths as to how you can achieve our COBE data. It's all about government being good at buying data as well as assets and services, doing it consistently and using that asset knowledge to affect positive change. So what actually is BIM? There are many definitions of what BIM is, and in many ways it depends on your point of view, or indeed what you seek to gain from that approach. BIM is essentially a way of working, with a concentration on value-creating collaboration through the entire life cycle of an asset, underpinned by the creation, collation and exchange of shared 3D models and intelligent data attached to them. BIM is a data conduit to achieving this integrated coordination. However, the industry must embrace behavioural change if genuine benefit is to be gained by all. The siloed and fragmented culture that's become endemic in the industry must change. Clients and industry alike must learn to cooperate, and we think BIM is the language of cooperation, allowing all parties to communicate with a common purpose. The BIM Task Group is working both client-side pull an industry push acting as a catalyst for a positive change. As a customer, however, we are more interested in what outcomes we can unlock. Our hypothesis, that HM government can derive significant improvements in cost, value and carbon performance through the use of open shareable asset information. Through BIM, we can have greater understanding of the entire life cycle process and attain better business outcomes through early collaborative decision making. These video modules will help you understand the minimum requirements of the HM Government Level 2 BIM requirements. You can also find additional information on our website, www.bimtaskgroup.org, which is continually growing, and you can also follow us at BIMGCS on Twitter. We really hope you enjoy these videos, and happy viewing.